Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove photo background in CapCut. So let's begin our video. First of all, I just open my CapCut application and click on new project, and I just need to, here if you see here is selected video, you just need to select photo and then select add, and then you just need to select your photo like that, and then on bottom you can find a lot of option you can see, and then there have a option remove busy, that means remove background. Just select it, and after selected there have some option you can select auto removal. So here you can see photo background already removed. So that's it. Right now you can save it. On the top there have an option save icon, save option. Here you can see it's exporting. So this video this photo already saved on my phone gallery, and I successfully removed this photo background. So that's it. This is the way for change or remove background from CapCut. I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.